Lucy, come here. Sit. Sit. Good girl. That's a clever girl. Clever girl. Oh, she's the best. Aren't you?
It wasn't as bad as it sounds.
You're the best. Lucy, sit.
Really nasty piece of work.
Sit.
And
Clever. The best girl in the world. Oh, the best girl in the world. Come over here.
I think I know enough about Louise.
Sit.
Just need to know a bit more about
Oh, you're the best. I'm going to show this to Betty. Yes, I am. I'm going to show this to Betty. You're the best little girl in the world.
What did you do?
I think when I tried to help him like that,
Poor thing.
not make him know.
Down. Down. Right. Sit.
To anything. And
Sit.
I just think
Oh, best. Best ever.